First of all, for those who are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for enjoying quality videos daily. And without any further ado, let's begin this. Google Pixel 3 is months away from getting released, but the speculations have started. This time, the beta version of Android P, an illustration on prevent ringing in settings menu, shows a full edge-to-edge display. This kind of display is not seen on any other illustrations. The design shown is truly edge-to-edge with no notch like the iPhone 10 and no bottom chin like the other Android devices, which are very common these days. Very slim side bezels and no notch design can be seen on this illustration. If this is a teaser of what is coming with Pixel 3, then Google will be the first big tech brand to release a complete notch-free smartphone. And Google Pixel 3 is also coming with a super fast and reliable Wi-Fi. This is because the smartphone should be able to use 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands simultaneously. Dual band simultaneous feature will allow users to have better Wi-Fi connectivity and will also let them use the device as a Wi-Fi hub. With this, the Pixel 3 could be able to cast video to TVs over Wi-Fi and music to a Wi-Fi enabled speaker. So after all that being said, do let me know your thoughts on this one in the comment section below. And if you find this video meaningful, hit that subscribe button to stay connected to our channel and enjoy quality content every single day. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for more updates. So this is all for today. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace